Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best engine degreasers available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to clean up your engine bay, remove stubborn grease, or simply make your car shine like new, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Akfix A115 engine cleaner and degreaser. This product is sold as a convenient 2-pack, giving you two 16.9-ounce bottles to tackle even the messiest engine grease jobs. The spray-on formula promises quick cleaning and bright results, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, and other automotive engines. Its formulation is specifically designed to target oil and grease buildup, while leaving a clean, residue-free finish. In terms of design, the packaging is straightforward, featuring a spray nozzle that's easy to use and provides good coverage. While the spray is effective for light to medium grease removal, it may struggle with heavy-duty grime compared to some of the higher-ranked products on this list. Users have noted that the spray works quickly, reducing the amount of scrubbing required, but its performance can vary depending on the severity of the buildup. The Akfix A115 is perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly degreaser for occasional use. Its relatively small size makes it ideal for smaller jobs, but it might not be the best choice for extensive engine cleaning projects. Pros include its quick application, decent cleaning power for light grease, and affordable 2-pack format. However, its limitations in tackling stubborn grease and grime place it at number 5 on our list. Ranked at number 3 is the WD-40 Specialist Machine and Engine Degreaser Foaming Spray. WD-40 is a household name in the automotive and machinery maintenance world, and this product lives up to the brand's reputation. With an 18-ounce spray can, it features a powerful foaming action that cuts through tough grease, oil, and grime with ease. The foam clings to surfaces, allowing for extended working time, which is particularly useful in heavily soiled areas. The design of the spray can is robust, featuring a precision nozzle that delivers targeted application. The foaming formula is thick and effective, providing excellent cleaning power for engines, tools, and other machinery. User experience is consistently positive, with many praising its ability to remove stubborn grease without damaging sensitive surfaces. However, the strong chemical odor might necessitate outdoor use or proper ventilation during application. WD-40 Specialist Degreaser offers excellent value for its cleaning efficiency and brand reliability. It's ideal for heavy-duty applications, particularly in automotive and industrial settings, making it a great choice for professionals and serious DIYers. Pros include its powerful cleaning performance, thick foam formula, and versatility for various surfaces. Cons include its relatively high price point and the need for safety precautions due to its strong smell. Overall, it earns its spot at number 3 for its dependability and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best engine degreaser for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, or if you've used any of them and want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy cleaning.